Coeur just won a landmark Missouri Supreme Court case that may soon change the appearance of businesses on Olive Boulevard. Fox 5's investigator Chris Hayes explains why the decision also has an impact on your town.
Here on Olive near Gracer, Creve Coeur has a comprehensive plan on what they want this area to look like. Walkable with small restaurants, boutiques, and coffee shops. Until a St. Louis County judge tried to tell the city they don't really have a say. The developer here struck a deal for a quick trip, even though there are 2 gas stations nearby. The city council rejected the QT unanimously, saying it was not part of their long-term comprehensive plan. The developer sued, and in a decision that seemed to shock everyone, a St. Louis County judge ordered Creve Coeur to allow the 3rd gas station.
What's the point of even having, any type of rules in place for city planning, for zoning?
Brett Berger lives behind this development and said it wasn't a case of not in my backyard because the city wants to attract people here.
We would love to have more people coming to Creve Coeur for more destinations, whether it be shopping or eating.
The QT developer sued Creve Coeur and won in St. Louis County Court when a judge called the city's denial unlawful, unreasonable, arbitrary, capricious, and constituted an abuse of discretion.
The argument is that the economics support another gas station, but at what point is Creve Coeur allowed to say, hey, enough is enough?
Creve Coeur fought back, taking it all the way to Missouri Supreme Court and with the backing of the Municipal League.
It was in their right to deny that use in that area.
Pat Kelly said the key is for cities to take the time to create a comprehensive plan.
There are some cities that don't, it could be too costly. That's the vision for the community that the residents have set forth. To the credit of Creve Coeur and their professional staff and their legal counsel, they did everything the right way, and the courts proved that.
The Missouri Supreme Court just this week put the final stamp of approval on allowing Creve Coeur to reject the gas station here. The developer and attorney would not talk on camera, but directed us to their court filing, which says in part, this opens up the door for cities to make discriminatory decisions on other types of permits, such as marriage licenses or occupancy permits. For the Fox Files, I'm Chris Hayes.